Okay, in this tutorial, we will talk about a powerful decentralized app designed to manage the referral-based purchase for voting tokens. This is a Dapp that's very useful for, in general, a network marketing business. So the dashboard allows the user to select various token package. Look at this, for example, select the only one vote token for 1,000. And I will try to buy. There is an acceptance. And then let's start with the approval for the spending of USDT. The purchase can be only made through referral links, ensuring that every transaction is linked to a referring user. So let's check the transaction feedback below. And now there is the confirmation for the purchase of the token. So as you can see, this wallet was previously one token. And now let's see what's happening with the vote purchase that was successfully for USDT. So now he has 2 votes. Especially the link started with the referral, and the user can buy only with the referral. So also the referral is repeated below. But when a user have more than one token, or at least one token, can create its specific referral. So let's start to generate a specific referral. Was done there. Let's see if the transaction goes in the right direction. Is running. Now it's running. Yeah. Confirm. And now this wallet, the 0xA22B, has his specific referral link that we'll use later. But now let's have a look through the admin table. What's happening here? So for this first referral that was created on this timestamp, so with this precise date, the referral was this account, and till now he has 3 referral. These are the referred address, and for each address you can see how many LCV bought and the value now that happened is vote, because with different package we have different value. Then we have also the date of purchase. Now there is a mistake because it's just a repetition of the same row, but the concept is the same. This is need to be fixed at the front-end level. But now let's see what's happening with a new user, new wallet that wants to buy with another referral. We will use the second referral. So let's see, account 3, and then copy and paste the new referral we copied before, like this. So now the referral code is repeated here, and the new wallet can buy at least one token. He has already one buy, but there is a mistake, because he did already his first purchase with the first referral, so he can't use the second referral. If he wants to do this kind of a purchase, he needs to use this referral. So to use the second referral, we will use a brand new account. So let's see, for example, the another account, the for account. Connect. Okay, now it's connected. Refresh the page. And let's see what's happening with the new referral. So he has 0 vote till now, so he can use this pretty brand new referral. Again, we have the approval. We can see below the feedback of the transaction. And remember that each user can only have one referral. So they can buy also and create their own referral link to expand their network, exactly like the marketing network system require. So then we'll see in the main page that we will see a sort of pyramid of this network based on blockchain. So now we are waiting for the transaction. We'll see buying token. Okay. Now the bot is processed successfully. So let's go to the admin, and you will see the new situation. So from the main panel, you can access a detailed table displaying the creation of timestamp of each referral, the unique referral code, and the referral address, and the referral, and everything. So let's start, for example, the first referral, that was this referral account. You can see that this was the top of the pyramid, but from this referral, this account purchase is its 2 token. But now this account creates also its referral. So there is a new account, that is this one, that will buy using this referral from this referral. And we have all the information here. This is an information that can be accessed by the administrator of the smart contract and can download the CSV file to do its analysis, and also to pay eventually airdrop and prices. So let's have a quick look to the smart contract, just to understand 2 important things. For example, the creation of the referral is a random string that I found here. Sorry. Okay. Generate referral code. This is based on the user address, and it is calculated in this way. There is before, check if the balance of the user is more or equal than 1 token at least, and if eventually has already a referral code. But if don't have yet a referral code, the function will proceed, and so it is calculated randomly using this element, the address, the block timestamp and the block difficulties, and then it is calculated the hash with the checkhack 256. That is a very important function in blockchain AVM. So the code is will have 8 characters, and these characters are calculated taking part of the hash, and for each is transformed to a number or to an alphabetic character. And then this referral code is used to save all the information in a specific structure in the smart contract that is called referral structure, where we have the referral count. Percentage is not yet used, but then we have also the referral address, the timestamp, and the referral code. Then, for each element, there is also the information about the purchase. So how many VLCV we have, the value of the slot, and then the date of the purchase. So thank you. And see you next video where I explain in more detail and eventually vulnerabilities about the Solidity code.